So what happened just now, guys, basically my screen recorder just turned off. So yes guys, so basically what I'm trying to say is that today we're doing a Satoshi cash out. I did cash out a one stats from my Tarotal's account, and now we're on the Ethereum Blast account. And what we're going to do, we're going to take out some earnings from this account also. So yes guys, firstly, just want to say this is not financial advice, guys. This is just me personally sharing to you guys how I earn some satoshis online with get paid to size and money making app. If you're interested in using these money making app, the links will be in the description down below for you. So it'll be super easy for you to just get the link and make your very own account so you can start earning. And also you'll be sure that you're getting the right money making app. The next thing I want to say to you guys, I really appreciate you guys for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, like, watching. I hope you guys find value. If there's any question, guys, you can comment down below. I'll answer it for you, or what I'll do a video to answer the question depending. So yes guys, so that you can understand what I'm doing exactly. So if you're interested, you can do it also yourself. So yes guys, so we're gonna do a cash out today. So yeah, so we're gonna go for the Lightning Network. So yes guys, and we're basically going to take out some stats as I mentioned, and we're going to take out these stats in our wallet of Satoshis. So we're going to press that. We'll be getting 30 stats, and after that we are gonna move over to an account because we have to verify, or we have to accept the Satoshis that is coming on the platform. So just want to share that with you guys. So yeah, so once we do that, right, we're gonna just press receive, and it's gonna be on our account. So the payment has been received. Okay, and you can see it there, it's on our account. Now after all of that is finished, we're gonna go over to some of our Bitcoin mining apps to take out some other earnings, right? So yeah, so we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna go over here. So we're gonna go into the Bitcoin mining app, right? And I think I have some satoshis over here, so we're gonna go and we're gonna take out from here also. So we're gonna go to our wallet or withdrawal recommended. We're gonna go set it to our speed wallet. We're gonna do the max amount, and we're gonna do the lightning address, and then I'm gonna just put my lightning address here. So yeah, and I'm gonna click the withdrawal button. They're gonna explain to you guys that make sure that your address is correct, because if you don't have a correct address, your asset will be lost and gone. That's gonna take your time and make sure that you are basically seeing and doing everything correctly, right? So yeah, so after we've done this and our earnings is gonna be in our account in a few seconds, we're gonna go over to our ZBD account. So first of all, we're gonna do, we're gonna scroll down, we're gonna go to the ZBD account, and we're gonna press on account. And once we're on our account, I want to share with you guys something. I can remember when I was sharing with you guys about $1 Canadian will equal to 1,000 satoshis, or maybe 1,000 and something. And afterward, it's basically changed where you were earning like 900 stats for $1 Canadian. And now I want to share with you guys that if you are interested in earning $1, if you have a $1 Canadian, you'll be getting 640 satoshis. And that's what I want to share with you guys, just to have an understanding of where we were and where we're going, and basically where we'll be when it comes to satoshis. So yes guys, so now we're going to send this off the earning platform, and we're going to send it to our lightning wallet. So what we're going to do, guys, firstly, we're going to go ahead and click the send button, and we're going to send 104. We have 106, so So we're going to send 104 sats, right? The reason being, they take a fee to transfer your earnings. So yes, guys. So we're going to put our gamer tag here. When you're doing your gamer tag, exactly how you present your gamer tag, that's how you have to put it in, right? So just to keep that into consideration. So if you use capital letters, common letters, it's the same thing. You have to put the same thing. So they basically reject it. So when they reject it like that, they need more. They need more to send over the money. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna send more. We're gonna send less so they can have more. So we're gonna send 103. We were sending 104, but now we're gonna send 103 so they also can have their fee, right? So yeah, it's as easy as that, guys. It's not complicated. You just have to understand basically the concept of everything, and then you'll understand how everything is done. So surely it's gonna be fine now because they needed more to send your earnings. So yeah, so now if I check my account, it will be 0. They basically take 3 stats. Let me show you 0, right? Because they basically take 3 Satoshi's in order to send me 103 stats, so you can understand. So guys, this is the video that I want to share for you today. Hope you guys have been doing well. Hope you guys have been learning and earning. As I said before, if there's any questions, you can comment down below and let me know, and I'll basically help you. About the Zebedee money making app, guys, if you live in a different region from where a Zebedee app is basically being used, you don't have to use the Zebedee app to earn Satoshis if it's not available in your area. You don't have to force yourself and doing all these things. You can use the Bling financial money making app, or you can use the Thunder money making app. You understand? So yes, guys, just to keep all that into consideration, all you need is a Lightning address and either a Thunder account or a Bling financial account. You don't have to use Zebedee. Zebedee is just one of the cash out option. But as you guys can see, when you before like Bling financial, they didn't have certain cash out option, and now you can see they have a lot. I basically do a video sharing with you how much they have. The same thing with Thunder, they didn't have a lot of cash out option, and now you can see that they had. So you don't have, it's not only Zebedee app that you will earn, and if there's no more other way or you can earn from Cointiply. I share with you guys this money making app called Cointiply. If you're interested in earning Satoshis or litoshis, which is Litecoin, you can also use the Cointiply account. The Cointiply account is the same thing. It will basically earn your points, and you can use your points to cash out from Satoshis, Litecoin, Doge. So just to keep all that into consideration, guys. So before I go, I want to thank you for being here. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing, guys. I really appreciate you guys, and stay tuned for other videos. So yes, guys, if there is a money making app that you are personally using and you basically just want to share it, you can comment the name in the description, not in the comment section. You can comment the name of the money making app in the comment section down below, and I'll basically check out your money making app that you're using, and maybe I'll use it too. You never know. So yes, guys, just want to say thank you guys again. and I'll see you guys in the next video. So before I go, just want to say, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys. Say is that the money making app, pause app, you can also earn stashes from that money making app also. So basically I was using that account, I no longer use it, but if you're interested you can use it. You can check out my channel basically for videos that I've shared with that money making app, and see how I've cashed out using that money making app also guys, if you're, let's say, majority of the money making apps that I share when it comes to stashes doesn't available in your region, you can earn PayPal money and use those PayPal money to actually um cash out in PayPal, and then use your PayPal. um, Money making apps are now, trading platform are now accepting PayPal as a way of purchasing um, cryptocurrency. So just there are so many ways or you can accumulate cryptocurrency or satoshis. You just have to basically do your research and hope that you are present in the region that they're offering. So guys, again, before I go, I just want to say thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.